Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Norwich local and long-distance movers near me. A move that is more than 50 miles is a long-distance move, even if it's within the same state. We can move your possessions nationally, locally, or within the same state at 3 Movers. We have solid working relationships with the local and federal officials in charge of the relocation process. Because we care about our customers and their belongings, we have insurance arrangements in place to protect our customers and their belongings. This insurance policy covers liabilities during and after the move. Our movers and drivers are trustworthy and hardworking, and they will relocate your belongings without losing or mishandling them. We have vehicles that can travel long distances. Our services are cheap, so you don't have to worry about us cheating you. Local moves are cheaper than long-distance moves. Our hourly charges are affordable, ranging from $30 to $40. Our local movers are experienced and licensed and will make sure you are delighted with their services and consider your comments. We're familiar with relocating to large cities and congested locations, so we'll know how to transport your goods safely. Our team of local movers is here to assist you. We're here to help you with your relocation plans at any time. If you ask our clients for feedback, you'll find that they are all delighted with our work. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Norwich moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.